kids, welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do linear equation in one variable. Our learning objectives are rules of solving a linear equation, solving linear equation with variable and constant on the both side, and equation reducible to the linear form. An equation is the statement of equality for two algebraic expressions involving one or more unknown quantities called variable. An equation involving only linear polynomial, that is called the linear equation. A polynomial is said to be the linear if its degree is 1. अगर degree 1 है, we'll call it linear. Linear equation are also called simple equation. Next is rule for solving a linear equation. The same number can be added on the both sides of an equation without changing the equation. The same number can be subtracted from the both sides of equation. Both sides of equation can be multiplied by the same number. Both sides of equation can be divided by the same non-zero number. If ax plus b upon cx plus b equals to p upon q, then q multiplied by ax plus b, that is equals to p multiplied by cx plus d. This is called cross multiplication. If any term of the equation is taken in the form of one side to another side, एक साइड से दूसरी साइड में ले जाएंगे, then the sign will change. This is known as transposition. We'll take an example here. Solve the equation 14b minus 8, that is equals to 13. That is given here. So 14b minus 8, that is 13. So we'll take 8 to that side. Means 8 को हम ट्रांसपोर्ट करेंगे दूसरी साइड में, so sign will change. So that is equals to 14b equals to 13 plus 8, that is 21. So b equals to 21 upon 14, that is 3 by 2. That is the solution of the given equation. Check. Left hand side हमारी क्या है 14b minus 8. So we'll put the value. b की जगह पे हम रखेंगे 3 by 2 and solve it. So that is equals to 13. That is equals to our right hand side. So that is equals to 13. That are our right side. So here left hand side equals to right hand side, that means b 3 by 2, that is the solution for the given equation. Practice all the examples given here. Next is exercise 8.1. Solve the following equation. A plus 5 equals to 8. So a plus 5 equals to 8, that is equals to, we'll take 5 to another side, so sign will change. So a equals to 3. That is the solution of given equation. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is some applications. We can use simple equation to solve the simple problem. One or two conditions are given in the problem. We express these conditions in the term of variable and equate the expression. An equation thus formed which we solve. So here we'll take an example again. Sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, find the number. So let the smaller number be x. So larger number क्या हो जाएगा? Exceed कर रहा है, so x plus 15. And the sum is 95. So according to question, x plus 15 equals to 95. So that is equals to 2x plus 15 equals to 95. 2x equals to हो जाएगा 95 minus 15. So x equals to 80 upon 2, that is 40. So smaller number is 40 and the larger number, that is 40 plus 15, that is 55. Clear? Some more examples are given here. You have to practice all the examples. Next is exercise 8.2. 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. What are these integers? Suppose the first integer is x. So second integer क्या हो जाएगा? x plus 1 and third is x plus 2. Now according to question, x plus 1 plus x plus 2, that is equals to 51. x plus x plus x, 3x plus 3, that is 51. So 3x equals to 51 minus 3. So 3x equals to 48. So x equals to 48 upon 3. 16. So first number, that is x equals to 16, x plus 1, that is 17, and x plus 2, that is 18. So 3 number हो जाएंगे 16, 17 and 18. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is solving linear equation with variable and constant on both sides. To solve the equation having expression with variable and constant on both sides, we transpose the expression in variable from right hand side to left hand side and the constant from left hand side to right hand side. Example लेते हैं. Solve the equation 16x plus 8, that is equals to 6x minus 1 plus 14. So first we will remove the bracket. 16x plus 8, 6x minus 6 plus 14. Now what we will do? Variable को एक side करेंगे and constant को एक side. So that is equals to 16x minus 6x equals to 8 minus 8, because 14 minus 6, that is 8, so 8 minus 8. 10x equals to 0, x equals to 0 upon 10, that is 0. That is the solution for the given equation. We can also check left hand side में value रखेंगे 0, so we'll get 8. Now we'll put the value in right hand side. So again we'll get 8. That means left hand side equals to right hand side. That means x equals to 0 is the solution of given equation. Next is exercise 8.3. Solve the following equation and check your result. So equation is 5b minus 3 equals to 3b minus 5. So what we'll do? We'll take variable at one side and constant at one side. Minus 3b minus 5 plus 3. Clear? So that is equals to 2b and minus 5 plus 3, that is equals to minus 2. So b equals to minus 2 upon 2, that is equals to minus 1. Now we'll check. So first left hand side में value रखेंगे, that is equals to 5b minus 3. So that is equals to 5 multiplied by b equals to minus 1 minus 3. So minus 5 minus 3, that is equals to minus 8. Now right hand side, that is equals to 3b minus 5. So 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3, and minus 5, that is equals to minus 8. That means LHS equals to RHS. That means b equals to minus 1. That is the solution of given equation. Next is some more applications. Problem the various type occur in daily life. These can be solved by forming suitable linear equation according to the condition given in the problem and then solving the equation. We'll take an example here. Sum of the digit of two-digit number is 9. When interchange the digit, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the two-digit number? Let the ones digit is x. So tens की digit क्या हो जाएगी? 9 minus x, because their sum is 9. So other digit is 9 minus x. So original number क्या हो जाएगा? Tens की place की digit है, so 10 multiplied by 9 minus x plus x. So solve करेंगे, we'll get 90 minus 9x. Now according to question we have to interchange the digit. Means जो ones की digit है वो tens पे आ जाएगी and tens वाली ones पे. So ones की digit क्या हो जाएगी? 9 minus x and tens की x. So tens की है, so multiply by 10, 10x plus 9 minus x. Solve करेंगे, 9x plus 9. Now according to question, resulting new number, that is equals to original number plus 27. The resulting number is greater than the original number. So resulting number हमारा क्या है? 9x plus 9. And original number was 90 minus 9x plus 27. So 9x plus 9x, 90 plus 27 minus 9. 18x equals to 108, x equals to आ जाएगा 26. So ones की place की digit क्या हो जाएगी? 6, tens की place की 9 minus 6, that is 3. So number क्या हो जाएगा हमारा? 36. Next is exercise 8.4. One of the two-digit number of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digit of this two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you will get 88. What is the original number? Suppose let the digit at tens place, that is equals to x. So ones की place की क्या हो जाएगी? Ones place digit, that is 3 times, so 3x. So number क्या हो जाएगा हमारा? Number 10x plus 3x. Clear? Now if we interchange, after interchanging, so ones place की digit क्या बन जाएगी? Tens की place की. So 10 into 3x plus x. So that is equals to 30x plus x. That is equals to 31x. Now इस नंबर और इस नंबर को अगर हम ऐड कर दें, so that is equals to 88. So 10x plus 3x plus 31x, that is equals to 88. So 31, 10, 41 and 3, 44x equals to 88. So x equals to 88 upon 44. So that is equals to 2. Now the digit at tens place, so number क्या हो जाएगा? Number digit at tens place, that is 2. Ones की place की क्या है? 3 into 2, that is 6. So number क्या हो जाएगा? 26. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is exercise 8.5. Solve the following equation and check your result. So a minus 5 upon 3 equals to a minus 3 upon 5. So here we will cross multiply. So that is equals to 5, a minus 5 equals to 3 into a minus 3. 5a minus 25 equals to 3a minus 9. 5a minus 3a equals to minus 9 and plus 25. So 2a equals to 16 and a equals to 16 upon 2, that is 8. Now we have to check the result. So first left hand side, that is equals to a minus 5 upon 3. So a minus 5 upon 3. So a की जगह हम रख देंगे 8 minus 5 upon 3. That is equals to 3 upon 3. 1. Now right hand side. Right hand side is a minus 3 upon 5. So 8 minus 3 upon 5, that is 5 upon 5, that is 1. So LHS equals to RHS. That means our solution is correct. Next is equation reducible to the linear form. Equation having the variable in the denominator like 1 upon x plus 1, 1 upon 2y minus 1 are not linear. We can change them to linear form by multiplying both the side of the equation by the suitable expression. Example लेते हैं, solve the equation 3x plus 4 upon 2 minus 6x equals to minus 2 upon 5. So solution, we have 3x plus 4 upon 2 minus 6x, that is equals to minus 2 upon 5. So here we are multiplying both the side with 2 minus 6x. दोनों side को multiply करेंगे, so we'll get 3x plus 4 minus 2 upon 5 into 2 minus 6x. So we'll get 3x plus 4 into 5 minus 2 by 5 into 2 minus 6x into 5. Here we will multiply both the side by 5 because 5 हमें हटाना है, eliminate करना है. So that is equals to 5, 3x plus 4 minus 2, 2 minus 6x. Solve करेंगे So we'll get 3x equals to minus 24, x equals to minus 20 upon 3, that is minus 8. So that is the solution of given equation. Clear? Next is exercise 8.6. Solve the following equation and check your result. So 1 minus 9b upon 19 minus 3b equals to 5 upon 11. So we can also solve this equation by cross multiplying. So 11 को multiply करेंगे, 11 minus 99b, 95, 19 into 5 95 हो जाएगा, minus 3b को 5 से multiply करेंगे, that is 15b. Now minus 99b plus 15b equals to 95 minus 11. Clear? So 99 में से हम 15 माइनस करेंगे, 9 minus 5 that is 4 and minus 84b and 95 minus 11. So that is equals to 84. So b equals to 84 upon minus 84. So that is equals to minus 1. Now we have to check. So first left hand side. So that is equals to 1 minus 9b. So 1 minus 9b, 9 into minus 1, that is equals to minus 9 और minus minus हो जाएगा plus. So 1 plus 9, then 19, 3 multiplied by minus 1, minus 3 multiplied by minus 1, that is plus 3. That is equals to 10 upon 22. Reduce करेंगे 5 by 11. That is our right hand side. Right hand side is 5 by 11. So LHS equals to RHS. That means our solution is correct. Clear? Next is summary. An equation is a statement of equality of two algebraic expressions involving one or more unknown quantities called variables. A polynomial is said to be the linear if its degree is 1. The solution of linear equation is the value of the variable which satisfies the equation. Any term in the equation may be taken to the other side with the sign change. This process is called transposition. If ax plus b upon cx plus b, that is equals to pq, then ax plus b equals to p multiplied by cx plus d. This process is called cross multiplication. Next is multiple choice questions. Take the correct option. If 5 equals to 2 upon 3, 2a minus 1, we have to find the value of a. So 5 equals to 2 by 3, 2a minus 1, we have to find the value of a. So 5 3s are 15 हो जाएगा, equals to 2, 2a minus 1, 15 equals to 2 2s are 4a minus 2. So 4a equals to 15 plus 2. So 4a equals to 17, a equals to 17 upon 4. So C is the correct option here. Here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now you have to practice it.